Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus and welcome to 26 Providence Street, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family home, and some of the features include off-street parking with a car garage, laundry located in the basement, and oil heat is included with rent. And as we make our way up to the single-family home, I'd like to remind everybody, once again, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, just so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have published on our site and you won't miss a thing, as well as any news related to real estate and property management that we publish on our YouTube channel. Thank you. All right, let's make our way in. All right, upon entrance, you'll go right through into the front porch area. Now, it features a nice classic wood walling. Looks like it was recently redone and repolished. And of course, this is the only room in the single family home that features a carpet flooring. Also has 2 radiators in here to keep it nice and warm during the winter. Once again, the heat is included with rent, so you will not have to worry about it. Saves you a couple extra bucks. You have plenty of outlets in here as well for any electronics. And you have a nice wide mirror over here, just in case. Alright. So, next we're going to move on to the living area, which is located right over here. Now, the nice medium-sized living area features a laminate wood flooring. Also looks like it was freshly painted not too long ago. We have an adjustable thermostat for the heat. You also have a plug-in AC for when it gets hot during the summer. And you have plenty of outlets in here for any electronics you like to set up. So, an entertainment system, sofa should be able to fit in here just fine. Alright, cool. So, next we'll move on to the kitchen area. Now, some of the appliances in the kitchen area includes the medium-sized refrigerator right over here. You also have, continuing on this way, the nice large cabinets for some extra storage in here, as well as the double bin stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle. And of course, you have the 4-burner stove right over here. Very nice. And we're gonna make our way over here so we can look at the backyard and the parking. Right through the patio right over here. As you can see, once again, you have the nice car garage right over here for when it gets nasty during the winter. And you also have a nice, long and open driveway right over here to fit some additional parking. And, of course, the nice medium-sized backyard right over here. It's nice and fenced in, so it's very nice to have. All right. Go ahead back in. And we'll go look at the basement area, which features the laundry. So you will already have a washer and a dryer all hooked up and ready to go upon move-in. It's always a nice feature. Alright. That's an unfinished basement, just keep that in mind. But you have plenty of room in here for some extra storage just in case. And once again, the washer and dryer are both all hooked up and ready to go upon move-in. Very nice. Give you guys a nice shot of the room that you have down here. And as we head up to the 3 bedrooms upstairs, I'd like to remind everybody the benefits that you have with being a Nexus tenant, which includes having access to our online portal where you can put in any maintenance requests needed at any time. And you will also have access to paying rent online. Always a nice feature to have when you need to pay rent. Awesome. So we'll move into the first bedroom right here. Looks like it was freshly painted, and each bedroom is relatively the same size. I'd say smaller bedrooms should be able to fit a standard size bed, no problem. Plenty of outlets in here as well for any electronics. And of course, you will be internet and cable ready upon move-in. You also have a nice walk-in closet in this bedroom. Very nice. Lots of space in there. All right. So now we'll go across the hallway to the second bedroom. Keep in mind with this bedroom that there is a slanted ceiling. So once again, just be aware. Once again, the fresh paint. And each bedroom all features a nice dark laminate wood flooring. And this bedroom also has a nice wide open closet space right over here. As we move down the hallway, we'll go on to the third bedroom. Once again, relatively the same size. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, no problem, with a couple pieces of furniture. And the dark laminate wood flooring, fresh paint, and nice open closet space are all available in here as well. Alright, last but not least, we'll look at the full bathroom, which is at the end of the hallway upstairs. And you have a nice stand-up shower right over here. Nice and wide open. And of course, this room features a tile flooring. Also have a nice mirror and medicine cabinet right over here with the decorative lighting up above. And a small sink with some cabinet space underneath. And of course, upon move-in, you will be welcomed by the Nexus welcoming package with all of your showering amenities included. Very nice. All right. So once again, this is 26 Providence Street, located in West Warwick, Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family home. And before I go, I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on all of the listings that we have available on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.